In this video, I'll show you how to easily check your chat history on Instagram. Be sure to watch all the way to the end to avoid any mistakes, and let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and tap on the DMA icon to access your messages. If you are looking for a specific conversation, you can search for it. Once you find it, enter the chat and you will be able to scroll through the messages history for that particular conversation. However, if you have deleted a conversation and want to check its history, there is still a way to do that. You can delete a chat by swiping left, select three dots and tap in the delete button. This action will permanently remove the chat from your list. But don't worry, deleted conversations can still be retrieved. To do this, go to your Instagram profile, then tap on the three lines in the top right corner, select your activity and scroll down to find Download Your Information. Next, tap on Download or Transfer Your Information. Choose your Instagram account and hit Next. On the following screen, select the type of information you want to download. Here, scroll down until you see Messages. Since we are focusing on retrieving your chat history. Once you have selected Messages, tap Next. I recommend keeping the download option set to your device, but you can also choose to transfer it elsewhere if you prefer. Tap Next to continue. Now you will need to choose a date range. The default is set to the last year, but you can adjust this to last week, last month, or select all time if you want to retrieve the entire history of your conversation. Once you have made your selection, tap Save. After that, simply hit the button to start creating the file, which will include all your message history for the selected range. You will see a notification that your request is in progress. Once it's ready, you will receive an email letting you know that your request has been processed. To download your data, go back to your activity and select Download Your Information. There you will find your request and be able to download the data. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button.